All right, guys. So here's where the oil goes in. Right here. Okay. Usually this cap is on it, but I already took it off. So we're going to set that right there. We're going to put the funnel in there. Okay. Oh. Okay, we got the oil filter. The funnel in. I'm going to just start adding oil. Okay. And I do recommend you hold, oh shit, don't get it all over your battery. Hold the funnel while you're doing the oil. This is going to take a whole 5 quarts. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and get all of this jug in there. Then we'll work on the next jug. We're only going to take like 2 more. I've got to look it up. But my Lincoln Navigator is 7 or 8 quarts. I'm pretty sure it's 8, but I might be wrong. I want to go ahead and clean up all this oil I just spilled everywhere right here. Look at how clear and clean that is. When your oil comes out black, it is definitely dirty and ready to change. And I cannot wait any longer on this. I already waited long enough on my oil change. Don't be like me and waste all your oil that you're supposed to be putting inside it by getting it all over the engine. And don't worry, it's not going to hurt anything. It'll burn off. I'm not always this messy. I'm just messy right now. It's hard to hold this giant jug with my tiny little lady hands. Put all of that in there. All of it. All of it. Don't waste a drop. Okay. I'm gonna let that drain. Okay. Shove that in there. I'm gonna let this drain. I'll be back to do the rest. Okay. So just so we can see on the back here, it has a clear line and you can see how many quarts are in here. And so we only need to add best place to go for answers is your car's manual. Okay, so let's go to oil changes. Oil. Okay. Oil. Oil changes. Maintenance, 333. $338 is engine oil. Let's get to $338. Alright, reading it, it says turn the engine off and wait 15 minutes for the oil to drain into the oil pan. We didn't have it on, so it doesn't matter. How much oil does it take? Check the engine oil. Alright, so the best place to look would be in your owner's manual, but it's not telling me how many quarts it is.